fine. Hiawatha National Park. Well, hello folks. We are in a very lucky situation. We are at Boulder Lake Campground in Wisconsin. This campground is, if you look at the map of Wisconsin, you can see Green Bay, the actual bay, and Michigan comes down to Green Bay. We are right across, I don't know, maybe 20 miles inland from the Green Bay, Michigan border. And we were supposed to stay Sylvania Wilderness area in Michigan yesterday. Luckily we got up early and headed to Sylvania because we wanted to check it out, because it's a wilderness area and you have to have permits and stuff. So we got there and the facilities were closed. It was supposed to have showers and flush toilets, and since I hadn't had a shower in 2 weeks, I was kind of peeved, and it was still $38 a night. So we said to hell with that, and we requested a refund, and we'll see if that comes through. It should. But then we headed to our next campsite, which was this one, which was 150 miles away. And you know, I plan for 150 to 250 miles between campsites. And you know, that makes it so that you can make it in one day. If you really have to, if you get to one campsite and it's no good, you can quickly go to the next one, which is what we did. We came down to this one, which I thought was just a tiny little campground along a little tiny puddle lake. And it proves to be a really huge campground. It's got 3 shower bathhouses. It's got 50 or 60 sites, and about a third of them are electric. Now we came in and we just drove around the bottom loop, and we found the 7 electric sites, and we picked one that wasn't used. As we were walking around, we found the rest of the campground, and this is a really huge campground, and it's really nice. It's got beautiful sites. The RV sites are RV sites. The tables are on the right side. It's fun. We're going to be here 2 nights, and then we're going to our campsite that was already scheduled. We had to increase the reservation to 4 nights instead of the 2 we originally had planned. But you know what? It's in a nice spot along the Mississippi River in Illinois, and I think that'll be a nice place. We really need to resupply. We've run out of a lot of food and essentials. In fact, I just made a cup of hot chocolate, and I looked at the carton of milk and it said it expired yesterday. So it was pretty good. It was all right. I mean, the fridge is normally 32 degrees. But let me show you some of the campsites, and some of the bathroom and stuff. The bathroom is the typical new bathroom with bathroom on one side, and then showers, individual showers out in front in a different building. And let's go take a walk around in a tour, which we'll do in the car. Coming down into the campground is a little weird. It has too many roads, in my opinion. You have this first stop sign, and that actually goes to the beach. The road to the left goes to the beach, and the road to the right goes to the group campsite, which is closed off with a gate. So that was easy. Then you got the registration area, and to the left is campsites 1 through 8, which are just tent sites. They're small campsites. We'll go into the registration area. Now, the registration area is a little sparse. Here's a map But the map is a little confusing. Here is the map of the whole campground. And we are way down here in this little loop right there on number 15. And it says that our bathhouse is a vault toilet, which is a mistake. And there's all these campsites up here, and there's another bathhouse way up here, and there's another bathhouse right there. So it's got all these bathhouses, and then it's got vault toilets around too. So it's a lot of campsites. And you come down here, and this is the campground. This is 9, and these are electric. These are the lower ones that are electric. 9, 10, 11. 11's a nice site. 13's a nice site. 16's a very nice site, but the door is on the wrong side. And Aquila really likes this place because it's got this nice hill side of our site that I can throw a ball up and he has to chase it out. I didn't throw it yet. That's a very tall hill, and he gets a decent amount of exercise, which for some reason he really likes. Takes him no time at all to find it wherever it goes. It has a real nice interpretive trail that moves around the campsite pretty nicely, and it's a pretty easy trail, but it's all labeled up and everything, so it's got great, you can see those big old blue blazes on the trees, so easy to get around, and it was really nice for us. This is the beach. It's a pretty nice little beach. That's the boat launch way over there. Pretty decent sized lake. It's got it has some shallow spots in it that are marked with buoys. You might see, I just did it over here. But it's a good sized lake. A lot of boats on it. Well, folks, we're ready to leave Lake Boulder, and we didn't do much here. We just kind of spent 2 nights. One day I spent all day getting the videos ready to post, so you'd get the upper peninsula all together. And then the other day we hiked around the campground is all. And I really can't give you any great campsites to reserve because there's no reservations. It's all first come, first serve. And that'll probably change in the future, so I probably should have. But then again, they could renumber some of the campsites because some of them were being rebuilt, and I didn't see numbers on them, so they may be new ones. But anyways, if you get into the upper reaches of Wisconsin, above Oshkosh or over there near Green Bay, excellent campground. I'm told by the host it's the only one with the facilities, the shower houses and bathrooms and all that stuff. So they have a couple in the National Forest that have the vault toilets and primitives, but that's the only one that has all those services. So the host said she had been there for like 7 years. Anyways, it was a really fun time, and we had a great time there. Take a chance and go visit Wisconsin, and then go up into the Upper Peninsula. So anything, give me a thumbs up if you like this. It cut out pretty quick, but there wasn't really much else to tell you anyways. So thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one. The next one is pretty good. We're going down to Thompson's Causeway along the Mississippi River, and we're going to look at the locks and the boats that go through the locks and the big barges and travel around. It's a real nice campground, and we're going to be there for a couple days, so we'll have a lot to show you. So make sure you see that one. All right? Be subscribed and you won't miss it. All right, thanks folks. We'll see you on the road. Bye-bye.